I'm going to show you how you can receive money on Cash App. Since I don't have the app, I'm going to help you out by showing pictures. Now, from the application here, you want to enter in the amount you want to request. So, for example, I want to request $1. I'm going to type that in. After that, I want to press on the button Request there on the one with the red box and the red arrow pointing on it. Once I tap on Request, you just want to tap on the name on the cash tag to the phone email, the one you want to request the money from. So for example, I want to request money from my friend John. And for example, I want to request because I paid for his food last Saturday. I'm gonna put that in on the for page there. After that, after all of that is done, after I've entered in the cash tag and then I've entered in the reason for the add note there, I'm going to tap on the request button there. Now, once I tap on the request button, my friend John will receive the notification on his Cash app. And then after he sends the money, you will see this on your Cash app. You can see, for example, the T there, that's the one who sent me money. All you have to do to accept it is that you have to tap on the green button to manually accept it. So it's not like a bank or a transfer. You do need to manually accept the money on your Cash app. So press on the green button on the arrow there, just tap on accept. Now, once you tap on accept, press on the green button then to confirm. So look inside. Please confirm you would like to receive this $5 payment from, for example, John my earlier. So just tap on confirm, the green button, and then once you tap on confirm, the money will be on your Cash app.